Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
He's Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski for EA Sports, set to bring you what should be a fun one here tonight. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
We are about set to drop the puck as both centers make their way into the dot. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. A little crashing and banging forces the turnover. Team Germany's got the puck along the wall. Sends it out right in front. He scores! A quick goal here has the home crowd buzzing.
They are, and you can tell the players are excited here with the early goal. You can expect the coaches to be telling them to keep pushing the pace on the road team. Quick release beats the goaltender. I think the goalie felt it. He was in the perfect position. He didn't really move too much, but just inside the post.
Germany's got the game's first goal. That didn't take long.
Nobody really sitting down yet. Now they're back on their feet. The bench explodes with the early first goal.
Directs it on over to Draisaitl. Great Britain's got it against the boards. Team Great Britain's got the puck against the half wall. Handles it along the blue line. From the opposite point. Sends the pass down low. Comes up with the stop. Grabs the puck in the corner.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Cahoon's carrying it ahead. Tries to dangle and the puck skips away.
We used to call this the tic-tac kaboom. Nice move, but all of a sudden you don't have the puck.
Quick feed to Kuhnhackl. And now he moves it quickly to Cahoon. Lets it go. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Sends the pass over. Dished on over to Gray. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Traps that puck tight to his chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead.
I wanted another look at this one. I'm sure you guys were all impressed as I was. What a save by the goalie.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries it.
Oh, he tried to make a desperation save there, but he gets beat. Not much else he could do.
Puck is dropped and play resumes.
Goal scored by number 8, assisted by number
Slides the puck over.
2 minutes.
Puts it on net. Blocker save. Snaps one from the slot. Oh, and another big stop.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make 2 stops before the puck is cleared away.
Shot. Shuts him down. Here's a short pass to Gotch. Here they are on the attack. Sends it over. And now it's over to Boyle. A chance on goal. Oh, what a stop. Takes it across the blue line. Move to the middle. Slides it back to the blue line. Sends a pass over. From one-point man to another. With the steal. Into the offensive end now. Here's a shot, and that goes off a player in front. And he makes the save.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Moves the puck more to the middle. Oh, he destroys him on the play with the stop. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Bank pass off the boards. With possession along the wall. And he gets the puck right back. And that one's blocked. Hammers a shot. Big save by the goaltender.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Still lots of time left in the period. It's all tied up. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. With the steal. Right up the gut, here they go. Moves the puck along the half wall. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Over the line they come. Nice feed from the boards. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Shot from the point, and that goes off a player. Slides it over with pace to Hall. Right in the open ice, that one's picked off. Handles the puck. Nothing.
Most dangerous place on the ice, and he can't capitalize.
Grabs the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick shot. Big save.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. What a steal in his own end. Takes control of the puck. On the attack along the boards. Move to the middle. From the slot, wrist shot completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Wins a one-timer. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. Quick pass to Holzer. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Nice pass. And now he tries to get it across to Reeder. Rocked him in the open ice. Seidenberg's got it on the offensive end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Big time stop there. Moves with the puck in the corner. Pokes it away in his own end. Great Britain's got it in their own zone. Through center along the wing. From the slot, wrist shot, stopped by the goaltender. Save made by the goalie.
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save.
And now he angles it across to Kuhnhackl. Can't keep a hold of it after that hit. What a great read breaking up the pass. Slides it quickly to Boyle. He's got a step. And he comes up with a big stop on the breakaway.
Almost like the shooter waited and the opening never came.
Moves it to Reimer. Stopped by the goaltender. Big stop by the keeper.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Snaps it on net. Big save by the goaltender once again.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves. Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
More than half the period has expired. We are all tied up in this one. Gotch has won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Takes the feed at the point. Reimer's going to play it near the point. Team Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. And the puck departs the zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Snaps one here in the slot. An easy glove save made by Grubauer.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gets a glove on it to make the stop. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Here they come on the attack. Sends it across. Right out in front. A chance from the slot, and makes the save.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Dumps it into the O-zone. Takes the feed from the left side. Great Britain's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Knocked away. Team Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Pass to Cahoon. With possession along the wall. Wrist one in front, and that carries off a stick. Great defensive stick work on the play. And makes the routine save. Scoops up the puck in front of the net, trying to clear the zone. Hall swooping in on the attack. Lowers the boom with that hit. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Moves the puck along the half wall. Lets it go. Oh, what a stop. Along the half wall with the puck. Right on the doorstep. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here's a chance. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Richardson stick handling in his own zone. Takes the feed. Tries to feed it across. Oh, great read on the play. Handles the puck at the point. Receives the pass. Hard blast. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. Well, the goalie's hoping there. That shot is just powdered from the point. He's hoping it hits him. It doesn't. Now he can find it. It's right behind him.
Germany's got the one-goal lead here in the opening frame.
Better to be ahead than behind, and the coaches are telling them that they want more aggression. They want them to play more in the offensive zone.
By number 5, Corbinian Holster.
Team Germany's got a hold of the puck. Handles the pass at center. Moves it quickly over to Boyle. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Here in the dying moments of this period, Germany's been the better-looking team over the last few minutes. They'd love to build on this one-goal lead. At center ice now, he grabs the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Boyle. It's in the back of the net. He scores!
Hard to get him much quicker than that. A pair of goals in 40 seconds.
That sure changes things here on the ice.
Yeah, the game has completely been turned upside down. This is the default move for the goaltender here. It's like every shot he drops into the butterfly. He gets beaten clean here.
Team Germany's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Reeder's lugging the puck. Passes it over to Boyle. Dishes it to Reeder. And he gains the zone here. Back to the point it goes. Sends the pass over. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Finds some space in the corner. Team Great Britain's got the puck in their own end. Quick feed to Myers. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Return pass. Carries it in. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. And that one's turned away. Germany's got the lead here late in this first period. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And he slides it quickly to Holzer. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Denies him in front. Team Germany's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up.
Holzer's able to take that quick pass. He's already got a couple of goals. He's looking for a third.
Forces the turnover. First period almost in the books here, nearing the final 60 seconds. Blocked in traffic. Holzer's moving the puck through his own zone. Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. On the attack along the boards. Quick pass across to Reimer. Reimer's moving it ahead. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. And sends it just out of reach. Zero fear on this guy's part as he blocks it. Hall's got it across the line. Puck exits the zone. That's the horn, and 20 minutes is all said and done with here for period number 1. 20 minutes is in the books. It's a 3-1 hockey game.
As a safety issue and courtesy to our fellow fans, please keep the aisles clear during gameplay and wait for a break in the action to leave or return to your seat.
And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. Second period set to get underway. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Team Great Britain's puck possession was pretty dismal in that first period. They'd have the puck, and then they were like a turnover machine. They're lucky it's close.
And that banks off a stick. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Germany's got control of it now from their own end. Carries it across the line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Draisaitl's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a shot. Gets in front of it. With possession along the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the boards. Now a quick pass to Myers. Moves close to the point. And that's taken by the defense.
Team Germany's done a great job without the puck. Nice pick off there. This game's close because of it.
Reeder's going to play it against the half wall. Backhander. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here's a howitzer at the net. Turns it away on the slap shot. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Into the corner of the attacking area. Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. Pretty easy call to make, hooking right here.
Well, he gets a stick around his waist, then he stops skating. It's almost like he's advertising for the penalty.
Great Britain sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
It'll be their initial power play of the evening, James. The best power plays, they move the puck and move their feet at the same time. You'll force the penalty killers back a little more defensively than they'd like to be.
Great Britain's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Jostling for the puck, and it's knocked away. Team Germany's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Looks to set up at the point now. Stopped by the goaltender. There's another stop. Here's a short pass to Richardson. And that one flies over the net.
Now, tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Shot denied by the goaltender. Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. Crowd's been into this one right from the get-go. It's 3-1. Quick pass to Gray. Lets it go for the back end. And that one goes up and over. Trying to get the puck out of his own end. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes that pass back at the point. Denies him on the play. And a solid effort by the penalty killers as we are back to even strength.
Well, they can't do much more than that, James. That was a pretty terrific power play. Lots of chances. They just couldn't find one to cash in.
With the stop. Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Standing tall with the save. Team Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. O'Brien's got it now deep inside his own end. Sends it in on the attack. Germany's gained possession along the boards. Great Britain's got possession here in the offensive zone. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. They've got numbers. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it to Reimer. And that shot dies in traffic. Hall's got it into offensive territory. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Oh, he got clobbered.
Man, did he ever. And to make matters worse, he's got his stick knocked out of his hands. Now he's got to go chase the twig down.
And that one's stopped. Right to the middle. Wrists one. And another stop.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go. I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. Been a pretty good offensive display, at least for one side. 3-1 is where we sit. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Team Great Britain's got the puck. Here they come on the attack. Moves it around along the half wall. Manages to hang on. Moves it quickly over to Knight. Takes the pass from the boards. Takes a shot. That goes off a twig. On the attack along the boards. Here's a shot. Way too much congestion blocks that. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Boyle. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. Makes the save. Team Germany's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it in, and we've got a 2-on-1. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end.
Germany's turned this game into a really tight affair because nobody can move the puck very freely with good stick positioning to intercept pucks.
Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Back underway, and they they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Back to the blue line. Moves the puck. Quick feed down low. From against the wall into the open ice. And that's picked off in front.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
With possession along the wall. Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Hammers one from the point. And the long-range shot goes off target.
He's got to get this puck on the net. He's got all kinds of time to shoot it, but he fires it over top.
Just put it on the net. Moves the puck along the half wall. Nice pass. Takes the feed. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away. Myers doesn't have time to maneuver himself out of the way of this. That's like a freight train.
Here in the back half of this period, it's a 2-goal lead we're looking at with the score 3-1. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Receives the pass. Gray's carrying it ahead. Centered out in front. He scores!
2 goals on the night for him. They've really been effective forechecking, a couple of breaks, and now he's got 2. He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time, and that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
Team Great Britain's back to center ice, and now it is just a deficit of 1.
What a difference just the 1 goal makes in the way that you look at the game, what makes you think is possible. They only need 1 more to even this up.
Germany's got the puck behind the net. Quick feed to Reimer. Reimer's got the puck. Picks off the pass. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Holzer's got it in the defensive end. Handles it again. Pass back to the point. And he slides it quickly to Reimer. Holds the puck at the line. Here's a chance right out in front. Right in the slot. Knocked away. Takes the feed ahead from the left side. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Moved into the middle. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Sends the pass over. And makes the save. Here's a short pass to Draisaitl. Here he is in front. Stones him in front.
Yeah, he flashes the leather there to make the stop on a really difficult chance.
Team Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Slides the puck down low. Quick pass to Draisaitl. Puts the puck on net. Misses high.
Oh, get it on the net, man. He's trying to be too perfect with that. Sometimes you get it on the net, it'll go right through the goalie.
Loses possession after he takes a little hit. Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes the feed at the back end. And he comes up with it. Picks it off in the offensive end. Slides the puck over. And now he moves it quickly to Kuhnhackl. Sends a pass over. A chance right in front. Too much congestion in front. Carries it across the line. Handles the puck. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And a great save. Takes the pass. Team Germany's got the puck along the boards. Here's an odd man rush. Comes up with the glove save. Germany's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Back at the point, they set it up. Oh, looked like he had the corner, but he puts it off the side of the net. Takes the feed. Sends it down low. Here's a pass down low. That's intercepted. Up along the wing. On the attack along the boards. Excellent stick work on the play. Right out front, and they can't connect. Team Germany's got the puck along the wall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Seidenberg's got it against the boards. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Moves it to Holzer. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. And the defenders come up with the puck.
Time to force it, time to be safe. When you got the lead, it's a time to be safe.
Takes it and looks ahead. That's a solid check on the play.
Last minute of play.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Centering pass. Lets the wrister fly. Taken along the wall by Reeder. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. And he slides it quickly to Myers. From the boards, he takes that pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Off a stick. Knocked away. Horn sounds, bringing the second period to an end. Just a one-goal game after 40 minutes. It's 3-2.
When the home team wins, you win $10 off at Ross. When the home team wins, bring your tickets to any Ross Sporting Goods for a coupon good for 10.
Third period is just around the corner, so don't even think about putting that controller down.
Must be redeemed within a week of the game.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. Ray, we've got 40 minutes played so far. How have you viewed things?
Great Britain's been a step slow almost all game. They haven't had the puck very much. They're losing. If that's going to change, they've got to get the puck and hold on to it much more.
Draisaitl's won the draw. With possession along the wall. Now a quick pass to Cahoon. Snaps it onto the net. Gives them nothing in front.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good saving close.
Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. And that's blocked. Oh, going wide.
Funny shot, though. He takes a big follow-through and doesn't get much on it. Just trickles by the post.
Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Lots of time left in this period. Just one goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. Myers wins it in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Lets it go. Oh, and just gets a piece of it. Germany's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Team Great Britain's got the puck now. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moves it quickly over to Myers. And there's the save. From the top of the offensive zone here. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Scooped up along the wall by Reeder. Receives the pass. Shot, makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender.
A defenseman loves this. The puck doesn't stay in front of the net. It's now in the corner. He doesn't have to worry about fighting another guy for position.
And it's a quick pass to Reimer. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Gotch is gaining momentum. Passes over to Reimer. Comes up with the stop. Takes the feed from the wing. Knight's got it on the offensive end. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. Boyle's getting 2 for hooking.
As soon as he stops skating, he has to reach out with his stick. Parallel to the ice, it's going to get called most every time.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Well, they've gotten themselves to within 1. Now they've got a power play opportunity to try and even the score. The best power plays always work when the feet and the puck are moving at the same time.
Here's a chance to set up now. And he gives it over to Richardson. Good check, frees the puck up. Across the point. Shuts him down. Desperately trying to get it out of the end. Gets it out of his own end. Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes it across the blue line. Along the half wall with the puck. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Gets it out of his own end. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's the pass. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Here's a shot, and just a little too high on the play.
I like the delivery. He just shot it over top of the net.
Right side sent up ahead into the middle of the ice. Slides the cross-ice pass. They go over on the power play and still trail by a goal.
No, not much they're going to be able to do about that.
He might have a step here. All alone. Broken up. Takes it in front. Puck picked up by Kuhnhackl. On the doorstep, and he totally whiffs on it. Strong feed from along the boards. The one-timer denies him on the slapper. Still lots of time left in the period. 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. Lee's got the puck in his own zone. From one end of the blue line to the other. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Quick feed to Richardson. Centered out in front. Sends the pass over. Over the line they come. Into the corner. Puts it up front, and that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner, and he makes the save. Great reflexes, another save. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Oh, what a stop. Rocks him. Moves it around along the half wall. Handles the puck. Centering pass. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Centered out in front. Scores! We're all tied up.
And now their bench has a little more belief as they've evened up the score. Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Great Britain's made this must-see viewing down the stretch here, all tied up in the third.
They've had to work hard to get this game even. Now we'll see what they can do as it's a new game.
Assisted by number 18.
Takes the pass.
5 seconds.
On the attack along the boards. Here's a short pass to Reimer. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here they come on the attack. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Team Germany's got the puck along the boards. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. It's a bad decision by the other team as they get caught in an odd man rush, but they don't make any mistake. This is a beauty.
Germany's gone up by 1. What's the strategy now, Ray?
Nothing really changes except you are cognizant of the fact you have a one-goal cushion. But you want to play up the ice. You want to be aggressive.
From the neutral zone now.
Patrick Reimer.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Knocked away. Handles it along the blue line. Quick pass to Holzer. With possession along the wall. And here's a shot with the stop. Team Great Britain's got it in their own zone. Gets the puck in deep. Great Britain's got the puck along the wall.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the chompers on that play. Gets the puck back onto his stick. Moves it to Holzer. Quick shot, and he misses. Is that just a confidence thing?
Confidence or trying to be too perfect. Get it on the net. That's the #1 goal.
Carries it in. Takes the feed. Moves it quickly over to Hall. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Team Germany's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Pass right on the doorstep, and that's broken up. Hall's got it along the wing. Too much traffic in the lane. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. In close, blocker save. Centering pass, lets it go from the slot. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
And makes the save. There's the collision. Through center along the wing. Gets it to the other point. Just wide. Team Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Along the wing up the neutral zone. From the point, they take control of it. Feeds it down low. Tremendous hit against the wall.
You think there's a sliver of room there, James. There's none. And he got corked.
Good defensive effort to poke it away. Carries it across the line. Great heads-up play by the defender. Quick feed to Cahoon. They've got the defense outnumbered. Rips it, and that shot gets caught in traffic. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Here's a shot, denied by the goaltender. Picked up along the wall by Lee. Moves the puck along the half wall. Sends it quickly to Kuhnhackl. Along the half wall with the puck. Drives it to the front of the net. Here's a short pass to Knight. Puck grabbed by Knight. Moves it around along the half wall. Picks off the feed. Moves the puck. On the attack along the boards. Slides it back to the blue line. Here's a chance on the doorstep. Turns it away. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Quick pass to Knight. Into the offensive end now. Breaks up the pass on the defensive zone. Trying to gain a step. He's in the clear. Nice pass. That's off a stick. Comes up with the stop.
of the saves that are gifts from the goaltender. That looked like an automatic goal. He's able to make the stop.
Here in the late goings of the period, fans have been treated to a fun one tonight. Lots of offense. It's 4-3. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. Denies him in front with a kick save. Takes it across the blue line. Slides it across. Scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here. Actually, James, it's amazing to me how many times an odd-man rush gets screwed up. They deliver this one perfectly, and they put one on the board.
A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. This neutral zone faceoff set to go, and we are back underway. Myers plays it against the boards. Takes the feed at the point. The lane was plugged up, and that shot's blocked. Hammers him.
James, I hear that over here, the crunch of the pads. That's a big hit.
Still misplaying?
No.
Takes the return feed. Here's a chance right in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move. Germany's not taking their foot off the pedal. They've been aggressive this entire period, and they're controlling the play and have the lead.
Germany's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall. Over the line they come. Less than a minute to go now here in regulation. Denies him again.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Moves it to Gotch. Gotch is taking it from his own end. A little back and forth. Up along the wing. Fires into the empty net. Just wide. A chance to end it. Quick feed to Reimer. Fires it down the ice. Takes the feed. Here they come on the attack. To his teammate. Here's a shot. Misses.
I got to think he's going to crater that stick when he gets back to the bench. What a great chance he missed.
Wide open net. Final buzzer sounds, and this one's in the books. Ray, more shots generally translates to more scoring opportunities. In this case, more goals.
You need to finish at the end of the day, but if you have more shots, a lot of people feel that's a really good marker for the game. More territorial play in the offensive zone.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.